This is my story. Hi, I'm Mystine. Mystine Vale Pipito Pineda. I was born on Valentine's Day, February 14, 1992, which makes me an Aquarius. I'm 33 years old, living in Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur, the little Hong Kong of the South. And I'm also a full-time hands-on mom of two at isang aspiring content creator. I have always been interested in art, reading books, and watching anime and movies because I love stories, the message, and the emotion that the movie brings. Maybe that's why I also want to create so I can share my own story too. Pero lately, I've been stuck with this question. Ano ba talaga ang purpose ko? Ang dami kong beses nabigo, ang dami kong beses nagsimula, tapos huminto agad. Kasi hindi pa malinaw sa akin noon kung ano ba talaga ang gusto ko. Pero ngayon, nagugulat din ako sa sarili ko. May mga videos na akong napa-viral at mga mommies na na-inspire. Buti na lang nag-leap of faith ako. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, it's now or never. I don't want to grow old with regrets. So here I am, still learning, still growing, but proud of every little step I take. This is my story, and maybe this is just the beginning.